Hi, Dimitri with you today, and I'm replacing a gear inside of parking brake actuator, they call it, whatever. Anyways, the system that actually activates and deactivates parking brake on BMW 745 Li, and I guess 745i as well. Anyways, there is videos you can find, and I'll show you. I mean, I already took apart pretty much. I took it's inside the whole unit, located inside the trunk. I'm located inside the trunk as well right now. Anyways, there is a cover. You will need to remove the carpet, of course, whatever, and you'll see that plastic cover. You will remove a few bolts, whatever. You'll find it's Torx, I don't know, whatever, it's 20 or 25, doesn't matter. So you'll remove this cover, and underneath you'll find unit like that. Anyways, there was a bunch of, I mean, not a bunch, but a few videos there. They're taking everything apart. They're taking off those cables right here, like the whole cable out. I wouldn't recommend doing it. I replaced the gear. Oh yeah, so the point of all of that stuff is the gear broke. You'll see the pieces right here, and where's that? The old one is right here. The old one is right here. I purchased the replacement one. They make aftermarket. The whole thing is metal. There is no plastic parts. It's like one metal piece. And I already installed it. It's right there. Anyways, what I was trying to tell you, that people are removing the whole thing and removing those cables and all that stuff. You don't really need to do it. You need to take off the stopper. There is a couple things. You can watch the other guy's video and see the step-by-step. But basically, you need to remove this part right here. It's a one piece, one shaft that moves. This part right here, it slides up and down, and it pulls those parking cables. Anyways, we need to remove this shaft. There is a few videos there how to do it, but the thing is, what I'm trying to tell you, you don't need to take the whole unit out. You need to remove this broken gear out of here. And how you do it, you just pry it you put the flat screwdriver in here and slowly pry it out. But before doing it, take off that cover from this electrical motor on the side, and you can rotate it, manually rotate it, and it's gonna rotate the whole thing, the whole gear inside, and slowly remove the old one. You remove the old one and you put in the new one, and also when you put the new one in, you slowly rotate it, and it's gonna get in. You don't need to remove any cables, and it's much easier. You don't need to take the whole thing out and put the whole cables back in. You don't need to do any of that. So this is the whole point, what I'm trying to tell you. There is a few videos step by step how to do it, but you know, you don't need to take the whole unit out. Slowly move that electrical rotor and remove the old one, the old part, put in the new part, slowly rotate, and it's gonna get in. So you don't need to remove the whole thing. If you want to, you can, but I don't know, I don't really want to deal with those parking brake cables and stuff. So good luck to you.